What's up guys, welcome back to another video. In this video, I'll be showing you how to buy CapCut Pro on phone. So if you want to buy CapCut Pro here on your phone, well, this one is fairly easy. So first things first, you want to open up CapCut here and you want to make sure that you have the latest version of the app. Now, usually on the homepage here, at the top left of your screen, you should see the Join Now button. Now, usually it's going to be under the edit option at the edit section here. So as you can see, there's the join now button. But if you go to the me tab here, as you can see, you have the standard option as well in here. If you click on join, it should give you the option to view the plans that is currently available right now on CapCut. But again, like what I said, if you go to edit and click on join now here, it should give you the same UI here, as you can see. Now you have standard plans, we have pro plans and team plans here. So if you want to use pro, go and choose pro here, and you can go and just choose the appropriate plan that you want to use. So the plan here depends on where the pricing for it depends on where you are. So currently for a 7-day trial here, or a 7-day usage, you just need to pay around like $2 as a minimum. So they have like a sale here that you could use, but usually it's around like maybe $5 if I'm not mistaken. So around $5, something around that price. But yeah, so you can go and just choose your plan here, whichever, and just click on the purchase button, and it should open up the payment method. Now the thing with this one is, if you're paying via your mobile device, it will open up Google Play Store instead. So make sure that you have added the card that you want to use for your payment, or if you have another one, you can go and click on the payment method here, click on subscribe once you added that. But that's about it. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like or maybe subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.